In the 21st century, gem cutting is one of the most important skills that a gem entrepreneur needs to learn. You know, traditionally when you would enter the trade through a family business or through an apprenticeship, the first thing that they would have you do is to learn how to cut. Because cutting teaches you everything about the rough, and then you know everything about the cut stone, even before you learn gemology. Learning to cut is the best and fastest way to develop a deep understanding of not only gem rough, but also the international gem market. In Institute of Gem Trading's Cutting and Recutting for Business course, participants will learn an easy and step-by-step way to cut and recut gemstones, starting from rough or starting from a cut stone that can be improved with recutting. The goal of the course is to train students to be able to intuitively understand what is a good cut stone and what is a stone that can be improved through recutting.
With the skills that I've learned with IGT for cutting, I think I would be more willing to buy stones that are badly cut, to recut them as long as they have potential. And because we have been learning that, how to improve a stone that is badly cut.
I think the class was really well balanced between doing the theory and the practice. There was time devoted to theory, but it wasn't too much of the time, and I felt like what was interesting about this class is a lot of the time was devoted to practical work, and I think that made it really engaging.
While most of the industry is still very traditional, our courses are designed around the modern cutting machine, which has a high level of precision, repeatability, and accuracy, which means producing a well-cut stone. Institute of Gem Trading is located in Bangkok, which is the hub of the world's colored stone trade. It's also a great place to meet people from different segments of the industry. Please join us for the Cutting and Recutting for Gem Business program in IGT, Thailand. For more information, check out our website at www.igtthailand.com.